The Boothill Express is one of the most famous show rods ever created and a defining symbol of the American custom car movement of the 1960s. It was designed by Missouri customizer Ray Fahrner, whose radical creations helped shape the golden era of indoor custom car shows. Completed in 1967, the vehicle combined authentic 19th-century craftsmanship with contemporary drag racing styling. The project began with an authentic circa 1850 horse-drawn funeral coach built by Cunningham of New York. According to long-standing accounts, the coach once carried Bob Younger, a member of the James Gang, to his burial at Boothill. Because the historic wooden body was extremely fragile, Fahrner's team carefully restored it and produced fiberglass molds of every major component before construction began. Those molds later became invaluable for building additional cars. The original Boothill Express featured richly carved wooden panels, polished coffin rails, tasseled velvet curtains, and antique brass lamps. Beneath the hearse body sat a chrome-plated custom chassis with a California Associated Engineering tubular front axle, 1948 Ford rear axle, drum brakes, and a dramatic gasser stance. A towering 4.26 cubic inch Chrysler Hemi V8 with Hillborn fuel injection, 8 exhaust pipes, and a Chrysler A727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission completed its unforgettable appearance. Soon after its debut, critics claimed the spectacular machine was merely a static display. In reality, the original car lacked several internal engine and transmission components, making those accusations technically correct. Determined to silence skeptics without altering the historic vehicle, Fahrner ordered a second version, B-2, specifically engineered to perform. Powered by a fully functional Hemi and prepared for methanol fuel, it exceeded 130 miles per hour at B-line drag strip, proving the concept could genuinely run. Demand for appearances became so great that a third car, B3, was assembled using the spare fiberglass parts created during the original restoration. Unlike B2, it was intended for exhibition rather than competition. It could start, drive under its own power, and enter show venues without assistance, allowing multiple Boothill Express cars to appear simultaneously across the United States. The Boothill Express toured nationwide as part of Fahrner's Boothill Caravan, visiting auto shows and drag strips while attracting enormous crowds. Its popularity inspired Monogram to release a 1/24 scale model kit in 1967, complete with a cowboy skeleton, and public demand led to its reissue in 1994. Today, the original Boothill Express is preserved at the Museum of American Speed, where it remains one of the most celebrated and recognizable custom vehicles ever built. More than half a century after its debut, it continues to represent the creativity, craftsmanship, and theatrical spirit that defined America's legendary show rod era.